Alright, so this is part 2 of the install. I'm gonna did the wrist fast already. I'm gonna do the side skirts next. So what I'm gonna do is take off the side skirts. There's a couple clips on the bottom and it should just pop off. Car is super dirty, as you can tell. Look at the wheels. Hopefully you guys can see it through the camera. But yeah, pretty much did on my friend's car, so we're doing on mine now. So should be pretty easy on this one. Alright, so I pretty much got the other side skirts out. I'm just gonna clean up the area. Clean up the side skirts inside and outside. And since I have the OLM side skirts, it does not come with templates. But luckily, my friend, he bought the original Sti side skirts, so it came with a template. So I'm gonna use the template to drill the hose. The hardware that comes with mines. It's just standard screw-on hardware compared to the OEM, where it comes with the rubber grommet in the hardware that goes into the rubber grommet. So just gonna clean it up, put the template on, and drill in the hose. Alright, so I just finished cleaning the side skirts over there, cleaning the actual side skirt itself. Just getting ready to, just wiping it down real quick. I'm gonna throw the templates on, drill the hose, and put in the side skirt. Alright, so I just put on the templates. They're all lined up, perfect match. Just gonna screw in the hose, or drill it in, and put on the screws. Just gonna punch in the hose, so let's see. So I have the hose already marked, so just gotta punch in, do a center punch, drill it, and go from there. Alright, so take off the templates, just gotta drill in the hose. The bottom is pretty dirty, but no one's gonna see it, so. But yeah, just gotta drill in the hose and screw in the lips. Alright, so I pretty much got the screws in. Took a while to get it to fit, but I got it in. Looking good. Got screwed in. Just gotta put the Sti sticker on there. So that looks good. Fits perfect for a Wrx side skirt. It's pretty much OLM, but pretty much the fit is pretty much spot on perfect. Just gotta do the other side. Throw these on the car. Alright guys, so I just finished installing both sides of the side skirts. It's pretty much on the car now. Just gotta put the Sti badge on the side skirts and be done. Check out the other side. Same thing. Just need to put on the Sti badge. That's pretty much it for this installation video. And next is gonna be the front lip. So I'm gonna throw on the badge real quick. Alright, so these are the Sti badges. This is double-sided tape. Just gonna throw it on right here. Just gotta get the exact measurement from the picture. We just gotta get it close to the same as that. Just gotta match it, then throw it on. Alright, so I just finished installing the STI. Got it pretty close to the picture reference that I had. So this is pretty much it for today's video, just doing the side skirt installation. I already did the rear spats. That's part 1. This is part 2. Part 3 is going to be the front lip. Just gotta clean it up and install that. But other than that, that's it for today's video. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification. You want to stay tuned on the update on the build.